Huh, that's my son. Okay, so today I have to go to work. I'm not even supposed to be doing any filming, but I'm so excited. I think my Amazon came in and I'm trying to do an Amazon unboxing, but the box doesn't look like an Amazon box. Alright, let's see. And I think this is it. So I don't know when they came in. That's not Amazon. I think that's a construction worker. And I've been waiting and waiting, and I think this is it. But it doesn't look like the typical Amazon box. The label, I think it does look like it, but anybody can still have that same label. I have my name on it and my address. And there's dangerous stuff in there. I forgot what I bought. Maybe it was a hard drive. I can't remember. But we're going to do unboxing, and we're going to find out what it is when I get back from work. Hello. So today is about a day, 2 days later from my last video, which was supposed to be my pre-unboxing when I was like rushing because I have to still set up the sneakers, but it's now getting summertime and I'm wearing boots, so I can't, it gets too hot. So this should be was the last week that I wore my boots so I could get my sneakers. So now we're gonna start working on my unboxing from Amazon, by the way. Yes. Right now, I am using Wesley's water to be my prop. To be my prop. Yep. So this is the unboxing. So I got, yes, video kit. Gotta make sure you do this right because I just finished showing the Swiss Miss and everything and didn't realize it wasn't recording because it fell down. So now we got the Swiss Miss white chocolate. See, unicorn hot chocolate. I can make this out of the Swiss Miss. I got it in white chocolate because that's more my favorite. So I had to get a USB cord that was nice and long. So I believe this comes in, it's a 10-foot. And I have to make sure, the last one, I couldn't even return it. I have to make sure that this one can fit in my iPad because that's what I got it specifically for. And that's about it. It's a new iPad, but it was recycled. And I got a stylus pen, so now I have to try this stylus out. It's not an Apple one, but it is supposed to be compatible to Apple. And I got it in like purple. It is so nice. I'm gonna show it. Then I'm always cleaning my phone, even my son's like tablet. So this is for any like phone cleaning, computer cleaning, and I think this is just like a great buy. This is like one of my greatest purchases. That's why I wanted to make sure to show this. Also, yep, I got also for my iPad, I got wireless headsets, and also gotta show you the color of these. These are nice too. Wireless headsets. And the last thing I got is play money. It's so that I can show my son how to, in here, right here, so that he can learn how to count. These are the purple headsets. Okay. So nice. That comes with a case. And everything. Work on this. Last time I bought this, it had the wrong ends. So now I should have the right ones. I think this is the end I'm looking for. And now Type C. It comes with a little attachment. And this on this side. You gotta see this stylus. So nice. And here it goes. Isn't it pretty? And it is purple. I think it's gonna look great. And hopefully it works. So that's it. That's it for my unboxing. And thank you.